how to create Google Forms. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So it's really simple to create Google Forms. You can do surveys from it, and then you can do various other stuffs when people fill out the Google Forms. So head over to your browser, and then you need to go to the 9 dots in the top right corner and then search for forms. Tap on it. You'll be navigated to a page like this. Now tap on blank form, or you can even work on the existing form. So this is the format of how Google Forms work. So here you can change the title. You can put in form description. You can put in name, email, address, phone number, comments, and more. And then to add more questions, you need to go to the plus icon. Now, let's say I want to ask a question in Likert scale. So I'll put in a question like this and then go to the drop down and then set it to linear scale. Now there is 1 to 5. So 1 can be something like excellent, and then 5 can be like this. Similarly, you can choose it as required. If people do not give answer to this, then they won't be able to submit the form. So you can keep adding questions. The questions can be like short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, check boxes, drop down. You can even ask them to upload their photos, their citizenships, and more. You can even put in date, time, or greet boxes. And once you're done, you can just hit publish. And then you can set it to anyone with the link and then tap on publish. Now you can copy the link and then send it to people so that they can fill out the form. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.